Okay, sorry guys. Wow, I was completely mesmerized in that. Well, today, guys, we are gonna bring you the review of the JBL Pulse Bluetooth speaker. Firstly, we need to understand where this product stands in the market. If you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker that gives you quite decent battery life and you're all about the bling, then this product is for you. Now I'll get straight into the product. This product, as you can see, has a built-in accelerometer. Check this out. Vertical, horizontal. What this product offers you are two drivers. These two drivers also have a bass vent so that you have a higher bass output. These are basically 6 watts each, these drivers. The frequency response of this product is from 100 Hz to 20,000 Hz. So if you're looking for the really deep notes, you're not going to get that with this. But overall the sound is actually more bassy than what I usually like. So every time I played songs in this, I tweaked my EQ to give a slight treble boost. Now, let's get straight into the controls. As you can see, it offers 3 controls. The Bluetooth button, the glowing Bluetooth button. The central button is the power button. Click on it, it switches off. I'll give you a demonstration. You see the lights blinking? I clicked on it. Boom. Off. Now let's switch it on. And it's on. The last button, this light button over here, what this does is let you change lighting patterns while you're playing some music. I'll demonstrate that button. But there are 2 more buttons that you cannot see because these buttons are basically press buttons. These buttons are the plus and the minus buttons. I'll demonstrate them. You see, if I have to reduce the volume, I can reduce the volume all the way. These LEDs signify the volume level. But if I have to increase the volume, I can increase it all the way. All total, there are 5 buttons in this system. On one side is an array of white dots from white all the way to black, and on the other side there are colorful dots. What do they exactly do? The white dots lets you control the intensity of the light. This is the least intensity and I'm going to drive the intensity all the way up. What this does is basically controls the intensity, and it is a touch interface. On the right hand side is the colors. Purple, blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now if you see, there is, I don't know if you'll be able to see in the camera, there is a multicolored dot, as in there are 3 dots, RGB. Can you see that somewhere around here? Yeah. I'm going to touch on that and just see what happens, okay? 1, 2, 3. And yes, the multicolored setup kicks in. That means the LED circles through the Vibgyor pattern and you get the entire spectrum. What really shocked me, guys, apart from all the bling that this offers, the sound is really incredible. I mean, room filling is putting it subtly. It is as good as house filling. At night when things are really quiet, this thing can get really loud. Now we're going to demonstrate the sound of the system. Here we go, guys. First off, I'm going to try a Armin van Buuren track, and basically you guys will be able to hear the bass response. This really sounded awesome. This is bass heavy, this is a portable speaker, but it doesn't sound like that. I mean, in a good sense, this completely filled the room with its sound, and this is an awesome product if you are a traveler who needs something to listen to all the time, or even if you are a lazy college student or school student and you feel like, you know, as soon as you enter your room, you have something called the NFC. You just tap your phone over here and you just lie down on your bed and your room will be filled with music. I can assure you that. Let's talk a little bit about the inputs that are available. You need a micro USB to charge the device, and this is a charger given by the company, so you can take this off and you can even, you know, use this. Okay, and in India we don't have such connectors. We go for this. We don't use the European connectors. We go for, right, so this is for India, right? And so this is the charger that you can use to charge your JBL Pulse. Now the question is, how long does it take to charge this? Well, in my experience, 2.5 hours topped it off perfectly, and JBL certifies 5 hours of constant usage. I actually timed this and it gave me 7 hours 48 minutes. I mean, that is incredible, guys. With the LEDs on, I believe you're going to get below 5 hours. But to conclude, guys, the sound is awesome, given that the highs and mids are a little muddled. It fills the room and you have these crazy LEDs. I mean, 64 LEDs with 5 different patterns. And oh wait, I just missed out something, guys. There's a mobile app that you can download off the Play Store or App Store that actually lets you control the LEDs individually. Not exactly individually, but lets you control the lights, the color, the pattern, the intensity, etc, etc. So that is quite a good package JBL is offering. For a portable speaker, the JBL Pulse gets a solid 8.5 out of 10 from Simplex, guys. Like this video if you liked it, guys. Dislike it if you disliked it. But leave behind positive criticism for us. But most importantly, guys, subscribe to our channel and share our channel, as we want more of you guys to watch videos like this that we enjoy making. Right? Over and out, guys.